Welcome to Advanced Dental Care and Aesthetics. One of the beautiful things about this office is that we've invested in the technology to offer same-day crowns to patients. So previously, what would happen is the patient would come in, we would prepare the tooth for a crown, and oftentimes they would be in a temporary for up to 2 to 3 weeks. Now what we do is we have a device in our lab that actually carves out their crown in office, and typically in about an hour and a half you will leave that day with the porcelain crown. So I think for the patient, the least amount of visits to the dentist is always the best for them. For us to be able to offer the service of leaving the same day with their porcelain crown is beneficial to them. It's one less trip that they have to come here to the office. It's one less time they might have to get numb to deliver that porcelain crown. So to be able to do it in an hour and a half or 2 hours, it makes their life easier. They don't have to call off work for a couple of days. They don't have to kind of reschedule their life. We can get it done in an afternoon for you.